Hi. If you're a local business owner and you're not appearing on Google searches and you don't know about the local SEO, then this video is for you. In this video, I will share how you can dominate on Google Map and Google listing to get more leads and more customers for your business. So local SEO is very important for your business because 46% searches on Google are seeking local businesses. This shows how important for your business to show up in Google Map page. So when user need any services like attorney services, plumbing services or any other services in their city, they will definitely search best attorney in London, best plumber in London, and they will see the results. They will see many websites in the top and Google Map results in the top. So how these businesses are ranking in the Google Map and their websites are ranking in the Google search results. So now if you want to rank on Google Map or Google searches, then definitely you need to follow these tips to increase your visibility, to increase your ranking. So the first tip is you need to increase your Google reviews. Then you have a high chances to increase your visibility, to increase your ranking on Google Map. So if you see your competitor, they definitely have more Google reviews than you. That is why they are ranking on the top Google Map results. So what you need to do now, you need to get more reviews from your customer to increase your visibility. So the second thing is backlinks, which is very important for your website. If you don't have more backlinks than your competitor, then you have a very less chances to increase your visibility, to increase your ranking. And you can check your backlinks using this website, or yes, you can check your competitor backlinks as well using this website. So if you have a less number of backlinks in your website, then definitely you need to increase your backlinks to increase your chances to get ranking on Google searches. And for backlinks, you can use local directory websites or any other local website, or even you can use local news website for your backlink strategy, and you can add profile in local directories, and you can increase your backlinks. And remember, backlinks quality is more important than the quantity because you need to maintain your citation accuracy. So all information should be same on all directories. For example, your phone number, your email address, and your about us section, everything should be same on all the directory websites because definitely Google will like this accuracy. So the next thing is your website. Yes, if you have a business website but you did not optimize your website for the SEO, and you are not appearing in Google search and you are not appearing in Google Map, then this website is not good for getting the leads. So what you need to do now, you need to optimize your website according to targeted keywords. And remember, you need to add multiple location pages in your website and services pages in your website, which help to increase your visibility in the targeted keywords. After all these, you need to add sitemap in your website so that Google can understand your website structure. And remember, you must need to add schema markup in your website so that Google can understand your location, can understand your phone number, can understand your services from the code. And yes, you can generate schema markup for your website using ChatGPT. You just need to add this prompt and ChatGPT will provide you a complete schema markup and you can add in your website. After optimizing the website, you need to focus on Google My Business profile, and you must need to optimize your Google My Business profile as well. And for optimizing the Google My Business profile, you can add multiple images, multiple videos of your team, of your work, and of your van in Google My Business profile. And definitely you can add blog post in your Google My Business profile. So these factors can help you to increase your visibility, to increase your ranking in Google My Business profile as well as in the Google searches. Also, you can add products in your Google My Business profile. And if you have a services based business, then you can add your services as a product in your Google My Business profile. In the next video, I will tell you practically how you can optimize your website, how you can optimize your Google My Business profile, how you can do local SEO for your business. And for all these, you need to subscribe WebZeno channel. So these are the basic factors which you can implement on your website, on your Google My Business profile, to increase your visibility, to increase your ranking. And remember, if you don't have knowledge about all these and you need any help related to Google My Business profile, related to local SEO, related to website, you can definitely contact us. And remember, consultation is a totally free, so you don't need to hesitate to contact us. Thank you so much.